Kick off your football party right this season. Whether you're a fan of college or professional football, these Amazon essentials will make your gathering the ultimate fan experience. Run a winning play by exploring the affiliate links below, and make sure to catch the bonus item at the end. Score big with the Inflatable Football Serving Bar. This game-changing cooler shaped like a football field will keep your drinks icy while adding a fun vibe to your setup. It's reusable, perfect for every big game. And don't forget to grab this double quick hand pump to inflate it yourself for that touchdown look. Let's tackle your party setup with the Football Party Supplies Kit. This indoor powerhouse serves 24 guests with all the gear you need. Dinner plates, dessert plates, napkins, cups, a touchdown tablecloth, and a banner. Perfect for one epic party or multiple small victories throughout the season. For those tailgating blitzes, the 36-pack football paper trays are your go-to. These disposable boats handle everything from nachos to chicken tenders with ease. Casual and kid-friendly, they make cleanup a breeze. Pair them with this Tailgate Zone plastic streamer to mark your territory and set the mood. Halftime break. If you're enjoying these pro tips, hit subscribe for more game-changing content, and stay tuned for that bonus item. Keep your party in the winning zone. Upgrade your dining room with the Football Decorations Table Runner. This washable, reusable runner is a classy addition to your game day spread, bringing a field of festive flair to your table. Your spouse might even let it stay on the table all week. Score! Don't miss the inflatable football photo prop frame. Perfect for making memories and keeping the kids occupied. It comes with a set of 12 fun booth props for added excitement. Snap photos with a Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera, and you'll capture every moment of your game day with souvenirs for all to take home with them. And here's the bonus game-winning play. This 40-inch jumbo inflatable football. This gigantic, grin-inducing football brings unbeatable fun to any gathering, whether you're using it as a prop for your photos or starting an impromptu game at halftime. It's the ultimate crowd pleaser for fans of all ages. Make a winning drive for your party with these essentials from the affiliate links below. Don't let the clock run out.